Dear traders, welcome to AdvancedNET Tutorial 2. Today I will show you a no-brainer trade by AdvancedNet trading system. This is hourly chart of AUDJPY. Look at the candle, it just closed below the ALF, candle color is red. In first sub-window, yellow line is just above the 50 line and it is continuously coming down. Blue line is coming down from the 80 level, now it is below 50. Lime line just crossed down the red line and coming down. Both of the lines are below blue line. In second sub-window, all of the histograms are bearish color group. 4 of them are red too. In third sub-window, thick blue line just crossed down the 50 line and it is coming down from the 80 area sharply. Other 3 pair of lines below the 20 area and coming down. Yellow line just crossed down the red line. News nectar forms the bearish setup. Look, that white is on the top, green is on the middle and violet is on the bottom. Bull-bear histogram creates the red block, in fourth sub-window. Red line is coming down, aqua line is below 50, other 3 lines are under the 20 lines, look, that lime line crossed the magenta line. Histogram of the bottom is red. This is very good setup for taking the sell position. Opening of the next bar is our entry price. In this chart, most of the lines are below mid-lines and all of lines are going down. We can take this kind of trade confidently. This setup is proven successful every time. We will come back very soon with another good setup. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.